How to create a game pass in a starving artist. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for Roblox. Now open up the first website. Now tap on continue in browser. Now tap on create. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Now select desktop site. Now go to your place. Tap on your place. Now at the top left corner, next to that dashboard, tap on the three lines. Now below developer products, tap on passes. Now tap on create a pass. Now upload your image file, name your pass, and add a description if you want to. Now tap on create pass. Now tap on your pass. Now at the top left corner, tap on the three lines again and go to sales. Now enable the toggle for item for sale. Now enter the price and tap on save changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.